Hi guys, so today we are going to compare two men's wallet. One is from Hammonds Flycatcher. So this is the wallet. The other one is from Red Tape. So we will see what both look like and what are the specialities of both of them, right? So let's start with Hammonds Flycatcher. This the color is olive green. The leather or the texture is of sewed leather, I guess. You find the logo here. Then if you see, you will see there are two pockets, two flaps which have for the notes. Then you find three card holders, 1, 2 and 3. You have a coin pouch which opens like this, and then you have, I think, two pouches here which is for other accessories or cards or anything, documents which you would like to place. And then we would see that there is a removable flap. Now this flap has 3 extra card holders which is RFID, and you find another one which is transparent, so which is for your ID cards or any of the other things like driving license or Aadhaar card. So this is, and then it goes like this inside, right? So this is the whole purse. Now if we look at the other one, which is from Red Tape, you will see it has a similar design in the sense of but then this is of genuine leather, which I can feel. It's not sewed, it is genuine, which is classic and dark brown in color. You have the logo here which is engraved here, you would find it on that, and then if we go, we'll see that there is one flap which is for keeping the notes. There are again the 3 slots which are for the credit cards. There is a slot for the coins. So this is the coin slot. Similarly to the other purse, there are those flaps where you can keep some other stuff, and then there is this removable flap or a slot which has those 3 card holders, and there is a transparent flap which is for the ID cards. Now there is one more flap which is here, so this gives an extra space. And then if we take it inside, so this will go like this. This is also RFID safe, and this is genuine leather which is mentioned here. So this is the whole purse, how it looks like. I find that this would be this is more formal, this is more classy, and this is more genuine looking, in the sense that this will the color is something which is going to be always in trend. This one is a little more flashy, green color. Some people might like it, some people might not, but that's the way it is. Maybe it's more for youngsters. So these are the two purses which we have today. Thank you.